How to free up space in Gmail. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for one.google.com and then simply sign in to your Google account. So once you're done, you simply want to go ahead and select home and then you'll find all the storage and more with Google One. You can simply go ahead and tap on view under clean up space and then you can find the use storage right over here. You can then open review from any one of them and then simply choose the file that you like to delete, tap on delete and then simply select this box and tap on permanently delete. Just like so, you'll then be able to free up space on Gmail. So also you have cleanup services. Also, you can head over to storage section and then simply tap on clean up space and then it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and tap on spam emails and then you'll be able to find all of the spam image and then you'll be able to find all of the spam email. So go ahead and tap on delete all if you would like to delete it. And just like so, you'll then be able to free up space on Gmail. So that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.